Hello, everyone. A special uh, happy Vasant Panchami to you all. I'm addressing the youth today, especially those who have dreams in their eyes, those who aspire to become great speakers, those who wish, if only I had the confidence of speaking well on the stage, if only I had the confidence of cracking that interview, if only I could speak confidently with all my friends. If only I could speak confidently and conduct a webinar. If only I could speak confidently when I'm surrounded by my friends. Well, dear dreamers, it is all doable. It is all actionable. It is all achievable. So, and what gives me the right to say that? Well, I'll tell you a little story of a little girl. Once upon a time, this girl was almost the best speaker at school, the best speaker at college, the best debater, best in studies, best in so many things. Yet was happy and could organize and coordinate everything at school. Yes, I have known not one, but many such students. And yes, I happened to be one of them. It was wonderful to be at school, participating in co curricular activities, in sports, and it was fun. In fact, your academics become better and special when you are all out there participating into everything. Believe me, they are not disparate, they are not separate. Each has some skills rubbed onto the other, and your academics become better when you go out and participate in co-curriculars, in your sports, because everything, when you're on the field or where you're on the stage, each one demands of you some skills, some tricks, some activities. And believe me, you can do it all when you manage your time well, when you coordinate your activities so well. Never mind the media, never mind the internet. We were lucky not to have it. But then you are lucky you have it because you can do it sitting at home. You can do it along with many other things. For us, we could not manage so many things. Today, you can manage things. So everything has its both good and bad points. So every blessing has both good and bad points. So, on this occasion, I'm floating a special course, Speak with Confidence, which is at a discount, a special discount because of Vasant Panchami, the goddess Saraswati, and we are seeking Saraswati on our tongue, in our words. Why not? So, hurry up. I shall be launching this course from the 25th of February. Just click the button, get in touch, ask if you have more questions, join my special VIP group where I shall be conducting these classes. And yes, you will have eventful sessions and you will not look back. You will not think twice to open your mouth. Yes, I promise you that. It will be fun with my three C's. What do you get? You get confidence, you get course, you get community. So I'll see you soon. Buck up your loins, get ready. You will become a great speaker. Thank you and bye. And once again, happy Vasant Panchami.